Today, children will learn geography first lesson, our state. So, Karnataka is our state. So, in this lesson, we learn about the greatness of the state and its heritage, the origin of Karnataka state, and the physical location and size, land, water bodies, the neighboring states of Karnataka, that and all you see. First, in the previous lesson, we have learned maybe this regarding this Karnataka state. So, physical geography in this lesson, we will study about the state of Karnataka. So, in the Karnataka, the people, those who live in this area, these people are called as Kannadigas. So, Karnataka, we have nearly now the 30 districts, 31 districts now it's going to. So, in this Karnataka state, we have a variety of animals and variety of plants. So, that is called a variety of flora and fauna. In according to different district, it is changes. So, South Karnataka, North Karnataka, even the language, the tradition, custom, that all we can see in Karnataka. So, in Karnataka, we have three coastal areas also. Two districts, Karwar and Mangalore, we have a coastal area. Then other area, we have a land located area. So, Karnataka has its own literature, art, culture, religious and pilgrimage centers. So many pilgrimage centers we have. Many historical places in Karnataka. Beluru, Alabedu, Somnathpura, Hampe, Aivale, Badami, Pattathkallu. So these are variety of, even Bidar also, Bidar, Gulbarga, even Vijayanagara. So variety of things can be found in Karnataka. So in this Karnataka, the two districts in Karwar, the North Canara, South Canara, we have two districts, the coastal area. Then other than we have a land located. So how this Karnataka is called, how it originates. The name of Karnataka, the word is used earlier. So especially Karnataka refers to a ancient time. It's called the Karnataka is the first Karnataka in the ancient Tamil work. So especially Drupatanga's Kaviraja Marga, it is mentioned where the river Kaveri to Godavari river. Kaveri south, next north Godavari. In between this area located, now that area is called as this Karnataka. And also Karnataka is also called as a Karunadu, and is fully land of black soil. Majority of the land is black soil, maybe it is mentioned. And it is a Karunadu. The people speak here the language Kannada. Kannada speaking people. And other important thing is 1947, when India became independent of the British people. After that, 1956, Karnataka considered as a state. So at that time, it is called as a Mysore state. And November 1, 1956, the Vishala Karnataka, the Vishala Mysore state is organized. Then on that day too, 1973, it is called a Mysore state. So after that, 1973, it is renamed as a Karnataka. Before it is called as a Mysore state. So after 1973, it is called a Karnataka state. So then the capital city is called also Bangalore. Then the other important thing is we can see here geographical location. So at present also we have 29 states, one capital city. Delhi is called a special state because it's a capital city. Karnataka, when it is, that means 1947, soon after the independence, nearly 16 to 18 states only. So now the number of states are increased. Now we have 29 states, one capital state, capital city. Delhi is called a special state because it is a capital city. Where the Karnataka is situated? See, Karnataka is situated in the north part, southern part, the south part of India. Especially in the Peninsular Plateau, where we call South India. In the South India it is located. Especially, it extends to 11 to 31 north degree, 11 degree to 31 degree north and 18 to 45 degree north latitude. And other one 74 to 12 east and 78 to 40 east longitude. Its length is 750 kilometers. The total length of Karnataka is 750 kilometers from Chamarajanagar to Bidar. Next to start from Bidar, the top of the Karnataka is Bidar district, and south part of last is called a Chamarajanagar district. So after Chamarajanagar, the Tamil Nadu border, then Bidar, Andhra Pradesh. So like that it is border states, border districts. So next to its width is 400 kilometers. The width of Karnataka is 400 kilometers from the west to east. West to east is 400 kilometer. North to south is 750 kilometers. So Karwar in Uttara Kannada district and is the western area is called Mulbagal Taluk. The Kolar district is a border and east part of Karnataka. Karnataka state has both land and water frontiers. Then two districts we have water body, that means coastal area. Then all the districts are land body, the land. Arabis in the west part state we have Maharashtra. In the north Andhra Pradesh we have Telangana in the east. Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast. Kerala is in the southwest and Goa in the northeast from the frontiers. The shape of Karnataka resemble in a cashew nut. So the shape of the Karnataka is like a cashew nut. Once again I tell you what are the neighboring states of Karnataka. So neighboring states are, so especially the Arabian Sea in the west part, Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south, and Kerala is in the southwest, and Goa is in the northwest. Next, size of Karnataka. So Karnataka stretch over the area of 1,91,791 square kilometers we have. 1,91,791 square kilometers. It's India's 8th largest state. So Karnataka is the 8th largest state area wise. And according to 2001 census, it has a 9th position in the population. 6 crore 11 lakhs 30,704 people. So according to 21, that means 2001 census, Karnataka population was 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704 people were occupied in this area. So the India's geographical area is a 5.83% of the land we have in Karnataka. At present there are 30 districts in Karnataka. These district occupies, that means 30 district, then 176 taluks we have, 747 hoblis we have, 347 towns we have, and 27,481 villages we have. Next to Belagavi district is the largest district in Karnataka. Bangalore urban district is the smallest district in Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. The state has been divided into 4 divisions of the administrative convenience. They are called Bangalore, Mysore, Belgaum and Kalaburgi. So these are the 4 divisions for the administrative division. These are. So the present situation, we have 30 districts and 176 taluks we have, 747 hoblis we have, 347 towns and cities we have, 27,481 villages we have. Belgaum is the biggest district and Bangalore urban is the smallest district in Karnataka. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for the administrative. So those 4 divisions are Bangalore, Mysore, Belgavi and Kalaburgi.